Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on the land on the TD5. So, we have got a bit of a problem. At the moment, whenever I go up a hill and I hit 3,000 revs, I suddenly lose power. It's either going to be this, or it could have been the filter, and that was pretty badly clogged up, so it could have been that. But as you can see, I've not done anything to this. It has not got bolts on this. So I'm thinking it's this actually, or it is the boost control module down there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to film this in parts, because unfortunately I've not got a camera person that could hold the camera for me whilst I'm doing it. So what I'll do is I'll do a little bit, take another video, do a bit and take another video, so yeah. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I will get back to you once I have this bit done and disconnected. Okay, so we're back for another part. So I run. This is the filter that came in my disco. A K&N air filter. It is. Or at least it's meant to be a K&N, I think. But yeah, that's what he came with. That's what he looked like. That's everything's been washed. That's the new one. Yeah. No wonder the poor girl was probably being stuffed from oil by the looks of it, air by the looks of this. You look at this. You look at the colour difference in that. Oh, that's black, because this one's not. So I'm gonna go fit this, and yeah. Okay, so final part now. There we go. Got this new K&N air filter in there. All put back together. All tightened down, everything. So yeah. It's all now done, and I'm going to go test drive it, and then what I will do is I either won't show you the test drive, or I will show you it from the dash cam, because of course I am a responsible driver and I do not drive with one hand off the wheel recording. So yeah, okay, and so yeah, there you go. As you can see, it has now fixed it. I'm doing 3,000 revs. And it's not cutting out. And normally, before I did the Wastgate, it would have cut out at 3,000 revs in third gear. Now, 3,000 revs, no cutting out. It's not juddering, it's nothing, it's fixed. All it was a freaking Wastgate. I actually can't believe this. This is crazy. A Wastgate has caused so much problems. I'm coming off down here to turn around. That was 3,500. That was in second. Three-quarters, and it is absolutely fine. Oh, that is definitely good. I'm so glad I've got that fixed now. It's something I've been meaning to try and find what's the problem for months. I've been meaning to find this problem for absolute months. And yeah, I've now finally found the problem. And I'm going to upload the dashcam footage for the driving, I am. And as you can hear, it sounds nice, because there's no cat on this, there isn't. It's just one single back box, and it sounds perfect. It purrs like a kitten. This thing does. It absolutely purrs. Especially in full at low RPM. Or at low speed in full. For like 30 in full, it sounds pretty nice, this does. Unfortunately, I haven't got any wireless mics, so I can't put one near the actual exhaust at the moment. But when I can, I will do, and I will actually do a full, proper driving video. I'm going to do at some point. I'll do a proper review of my Discovery, and I think I'm about the 6 months mark now owning her. I got her in October, but didn't actually get to drive until November. Because she actually was from Jersey, the Isle of Jersey. Well, she was from London, from Mayfair, Then she went to Jersey in about 2012, 2013, 2014, and then he came back to the UK, and I bought as the guy who imported it back to the UK, and yeah, and then I got the, and then it was so we had to re-register it back to the UK plates. So that's what we did, and then I've been driving it since 1st of November. Boy, is this thing nice to drive. The first drive I had to go and do was go to one of the local garages to where I live to go grab some fuel, because it was basically on empty, as you probably have seen from some of my first TikToks on it. If you look back, there was one of my TikToks from when I had it just sat in my driveway. Oh, listen to that thing. Doesn't it sound beautiful? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get to this other village here, and then I think I'll turn around there, because I like driving on this road. It's very nice and pretty. As you can see, it's a very pretty road. It's windy and everything, and yeah, so I wouldn't recommend doing more than 30 down here, even though this is legally a 60. What is stupid. This is the road that I did a lot of my actual learning on. This is actually did a heck of a lot of my learning to drive my Focus along this road. My Focus, and then my driving instructor's car as well. If you're in the Knighton, Newtown area, look up Paddy Paddy something from LDC. Absolutely amazing person. If you give him a ring and say that you came from one of my videos, because honestly, he might give you a discount. I can't be certain, but he might. And honestly, he absolutely had a blast driving with me. He did. He said I'm a really good, safe driver. Yeah, but honestly, I couldn't have gotten to where I am without Paddy helping me to get through my get my license. And he is such an amazing guy, absolutely amazing. He only came out with me for an hour the day before my test after college. So I finished college at like 4 o'clock, well, 3:30, 4 o'clock, and then he actually took me out for an hour the day before my test, before I passed that was. And I think that extra help really helped. Like, I had to wait a month before retaking my test, but that extra month of doing stuff with him in my car, not in his car but in my one, he actually trusted me that much that we went out in my Focus to do a lot of my lessons, my end lessons sort of thing. But he's a really good instructor that he actually feels confident enough to trust a student to take him out and not have to have any sort of controls. So yeah. But honestly, I can't believe that I've fixed the problem with the disc game. That it was just the Wastgate. Now I can go get my tractor and I can start making videos for my other channel. If you haven't seen it yet, I have a new channel called Tractor Chaos Service and Repair. I will link it in the description of this video, so go give it a follow if you like agricultural machinery, because I'm going to be starting up my own company repairing agricultural machinery, and especially stuff from like up until about the early 2000s, so 90s, 80s, that sort of equipment. And yeah, so until the next one though guys, please do like, share, subscribe for more videos, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.